Hey y'all, this is Dawn. Welcome to my channel. I have some of this Aidells Cajun andouille stuff and a leftover chicken quarter. It's already seasoned and cooked. Some bell peppers, celery. I wanted to make soup, but I also wanted to make a wrap. I couldn't decide, so I have some condensed soup and a tortilla. And then I've got some chips. I had these greens. I ended up not using them. I thought about putting those in a wrap. And then I thought I had cilantro, but no, I had parsley, but I used it anyways. Butter, cheese, and jalapenos. And this is how I wrote it out this morning when I was preparing. I couldn't decide if I wanted soup or a wrap, so I made both. I got the butter going over on the stovetop so I can saute my vegetables. I'm going to start prepping the andouille and the chicken. I really love this Aidells Cajun andouille. I like the ingredients. So I use smoked sausage for things. I know that the traditional sausage is the Koneka. I can't. It's got way too much stuff in it. I can't have it. This stuff is great. Now there's a marbling. Yeah, let's call it that. There's a couple of chewy spots, but I will take it. And this some cumin, and then I got some jalapenos. And La Costeña is my favorite brand. And then I thought I thought this was mine. I think my roommate bought this. I don't know. It's parsley. So I was like, whatever. I'm just gonna use it. It was fine. It wasn't cilantro, obviously, but. So this is how much soup was left after I put some in the bowl. And this is warmed up with cheese on top. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. But this is supposed to be a soup, but it came out like a really good dip. Add white beans to this. I mean, you can have a white chili, blonde chili, but they call it blonde chili. Yeah, I got second place in a chili cook-off. Oh no, a white turkey chicken chili. Okay. I took a little bite earlier. I just couldn't. Put some salt in there. This has all kinds of flavor. This is so good. Yes. Yes, please. More, please. The front door just opened by itself. Okay. Sure, why not? Why not? This is so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I want more. I'm gonna put some of the cheesy soup stuff on there, and I'm gonna put some sour cream on top of it. I'm full. I can't eat anymore. Oh my gosh. I can't eat this. It also reminds me of like a really loaded nacho cheese. Like you could dump that on chips. Put some more cheese on top of it. Some jalapenos. You can cook it. I don't know, that sounds really good too. Yeah. Alright, look, be blessed, be a blessing. Blessed be. Eat good. Eat funky. But don't get sick. Oh, us next time. Hoarding a bunch of nothing. Like, seriously, it makes a good soup and it makes a good dip. Either way, I don't care. Some kind of. There's a cat over my shoulder just staring.